Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are following the necessary COVID protocols, staying safe at home. So, before we begin today, I want to ask you guys one basic yet deep question which I don't know many of the people have ever realized or asked themselves. See, basically, the thing is, we all need motivation, inspiration, and some kind of drive in our lives. There are times when all of us feel down, demotivated, frustrated, irritated, and we kind of don't get this feeling that we have to do anything, do the particular tasks or work which we are doing and take action. And then most of us resort to some kind of an inspirational or motivational video where that one speaker is standing on the stage and he's talking in full josh. Come on guys, obstacles, challenges, success, and all that things he is busy saying. We get motivated temporarily, and but afterwards the drive fades off gradually. See, the thing is, I'm not against any motivational speaker or influencer for that matter, but the point which I want to make here is we should find something which would give us long term motivation or the driving force which we call for large number of years, the coming years, which would keep us going. So, do you want to know the secret which gives us the long term motivational force to go about our business? If yes, then stay tuned and listen to the video completely. You see, if we want to acquire long term motivation in our life, we should have an understanding of two things. Number one is clarity of passion, and number two, clarity of life purpose. See, passion is an obvious thing कि we are fond of or inclined towards doing any particular thing. But when we talk about life purpose of or the reason why you are born here, we don't know. In fact, many people even don't know what their passion is. To that extent, there are problems. So, you see, every animal in this world is aware of its life purpose. It's only humans, we humans, many times don't know why exactly are we born and what is our life purpose. For example, a lion knows its life purpose is to hunt animals, his prey. An elephant knows, tree knows, horse knows. See, there are many animals who go about their daily task and what their we call life purpose. Obviously, we humans, our life is very complex and there are variety of things involved in our life, which animals they have just to do one or two things in life, but that doesn't mean if we don't have an understanding or awareness itself or of what our life purpose is. So I would be giving you some steps, some 3 to 4 questions, and try to find answers to these. In the next video I would be sharing with you, so stay tuned, subscribe, hit the like button, and share among maximum number of people possible. And then again, remember guys, my mantra: there is a reason for my existence. No longer will I live in ignorance. I am here to make a difference. All the best. Goodbye. Stay tuned. Jai Hind.